change the garage door from manual to automatic again, what you need to do, you need to pull the red string again. Okay, just pull it down again. Pull a little bit, see that, then you turn it to back and release. So it becomes like this. Okay, so then now you use your garage remote. You just press the garage remote, and then you will see this thing here has a gap here. Okay, you press it, you will move. Sometimes you need to wait a bit, this gap, you will click on that. See, you hear the sound? Now it becomes automatic, the door. Okay, let's see. Voila. See? So now the door can open. Okay, put it down, open, close. So just remember, only use the garage remote to operate the garage door. Okay, do not put the red string. Once you did that, you become manually work, so it's not good.